Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever watched your dog figure out how to open the treat jar and wondered what's going on in that furry little head?
Or maybe you've seen a crow use a twig as a tool and been completely amazed. Well, today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of animal minds. We're exploring how cognitive psychology helps us understand the incredible brains of the animals we share our planet with. It's a journey that will make you look at your pets and the wildlife in your backyard in a whole new light. So, what exactly is cognition? Simply put, it's the mental process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. It's about thinking, remembering, problem-solving, and making decisions. For a long time, many believed these complex abilities were exclusive to humans. But science is showing us that's just not true. The animal kingdom is filled with brilliant thinkers, and cognitive psychology gives us the tools to peek inside their minds. Let's start with our closest relatives, primates. Chimpanzees, for example, are masters of tool use. In the wild, they use stones to crack nuts and sticks to fish for termites. This isn't just simple instinct. They select the right tool for the job, sometimes even modifying it. This requires planning, foresight, and an understanding of cause and effect. Researchers have even observed them teaching these skills to their young, which points to a form of culture. Bonobos, another close relative, are known for their complex social structures and emotional intelligence. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness, and they use intricate vocalizations and gestures to communicate, showing a level of social cognition that rivals that of a human toddler. But it's not just primates who are smart. Let's talk about birds, specifically corvids, the family that includes crows, ravens, and jays. These birds are the Einsteins of the avian world. New Caledonian crows are famous for their incredible tool-making abilities, crafting hooks from twigs to pull insects out of logs. In lab experiments, they've solved complex, multi-step puzzles that would stump many humans. They can plan for the future, hiding food for later, and remembering not just what they hid and where, but also who was watching them. This suggests they have something called a theory of mind, the ability to understand that others have their own thoughts and intentions. It's truly mind-blowing stuff. And what about our companions in the sea? Dolphins and whales have some of the largest and most complex brains on the planet. Dolphins use sophisticated vocalizations, including unique signature whistles that act like names, to communicate with each other. They hunt in coordinated groups, using clever strategies like creating mud rings to trap fish. This level of cooperation requires advanced communication and social understanding. Humpback whales pass on new hunting techniques and songs across vast ocean distances, a clear example of cultural transmission. Their ability to learn, remember, and teach is a testament to their profound cognitive abilities. Even animals we might not think of as particularly brainy show surprising intelligence. Take the octopus, with a brain in each of its 8 arms as well as a central one. These creatures are masters of problem-solving and escape. They've been observed opening screw-top jars from the inside, navigating complex mazes, and even showing distinct personalities. They can recognize individual humans and will behave differently towards people they like or dislike. Their ability to change color and texture isn't just for camouflage. It's also a form of communication, expressing their mood or intentions. So, how do scientists actually study animal minds? We can't just ask a dolphin what it's thinking. It involves a lot of clever experimental design. Researchers use puzzle boxes to test problem-solving, maze tasks to assess memory, and choice experiments to understand decision-making. For example, to test if a dog understands human pointing gestures, a researcher might hide a treat under one of two cups and point to the correct one. A dog that consistently follows the point demonstrates an understanding of human communicative intent. We also use non-invasive brain imaging techniques, similar to those used in humans, to see which parts of an animal's brain are active during certain tasks. It's like being a detective, gathering clues to piece together the puzzle of another creature's mind. One of the biggest questions in animal cognition is about consciousness. Do animals have subjective experiences? Do they feel joy or fear in the same way we do? While we can't definitively know what it's like to be a bat or a whale, the evidence is mounting. The way elephants mourn their dead, gathering around the body and gently touching it with their trunks, strongly suggests a deep emotional experience. The playful antics of otters or the clear distress of a dog separated from its owner also point towards a rich inner emotional world. The Cambridge Declaration on Consciousness, signed by a prominent group of neuroscientists in 2012, formally declared that non-human animals possess the neurological substrates for consciousness. Understanding animal cognition isn't just an academic exercise. It has profound ethical implications for how we treat animals. If we recognize that pigs are highly intelligent and social creatures that can feel stress and joy, it changes the conversation about how we farm them. If we know that elephants have deep family bonds and can suffer from trauma, it strengthens the argument against poaching and captivity. This knowledge encourages us to be more compassionate and responsible stewards of the planet. It makes us see animals not as simple instinct-driven machines, but as fellow-thinking, feeling beings who deserve our respect and protection. The more we learn, the more we realize that intelligence isn't a single ladder with humans at the top. It's more like a bush with many different branches, each representing a unique way of being smart and adapting to the world. A squirrel's incredible spatial memory for thousands of buried nuts is a form of genius perfectly suited to its life. A bee's ability to navigate using the sun's position and communicate that information to the hive through a complex dance is another. Cognitive psychology helps us appreciate this incredible diversity of minds. So, the next time you see a flock of pigeons navigating a busy city square, or watch a spider meticulously build its web, take a moment to appreciate the complex cognitive processes at play. We are surrounded by an incredible array of minds, each with its own way of perceiving, understanding, and navigating the world. The study of animal cognition is a humbling and awe-inspiring field, constantly reminding us that we are just one part of a vast and intelligent web of life. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey into the animal mind. What animal do you think is the smartest? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the world of psychology and the brain. See you in the next one.